So I am a week away from my Norwegian cruise ship that is taking me to Hawaii, and I am so excited because Comfycheer sent me this cruise ship essentials kit, and it has everything that I need. We have our towel bands, and these towel bands come in handy. Comes in a set of two. These you can put on your towel chair to keep your towel in place. I know if you've ever been on a cruise, you've probably seen how people get up early in the morning and go save a chair with their towel. And this way your towel will stay in place when you're saving a chair or when you're sitting in the chair, which is really nice. It also came with 2 cruise lanyards. Has a cute little sailing decoration on each lanyard. And these are perfect for carrying around your cabin cards. You know, you use your cabin card to get into your cabin. You need it at dinner. If you have a drink card, it will be loaded there too. So this way you can just wear it around your neck. You don't have to go fumbling through your wallet or even carry a wallet on the cruise ship because you can put everything in here. It also comes with these phone pouches. These are great to help protect your phone from water damage. Again, nothing is 100% waterproof. However, these will help if something were to happen, like if your phone were to fall in the pool or the hot tub or even the ocean. It also has a lanyard in each bag. And that way you can also put this around your neck, or you could carry it as a wristlet as well. It also comes with 5 magnetic hooks. If you've ever been on a cruise ship, even if you have a balcony, the rooms are not that big. And these help give you that extra space that you need. The doors of the cruise ship are magnetic, and typically all of the walls are as well. So these will help you have that extra space by allowing you a place to hang additional things. You can hang your hat, you can hang your purse, you can hang a beach bag, a towel, a bathing suit. These come in handy. This kit comes with 5 of these, and these are for your luggage. So you will print out your luggage tags and you will attach them with this. And attach this to your luggage suitcase, because when you go to the port, you know the port handlers are going to take your luggage and have them at your door. And once you print out your luggage tag, it will make it very easy for the person that's taking your luggage to know where it is supposed to go. And last but certainly not least, we have our USB charger, and these come in clutch because in a cruise cabin, there are not that many outlets, and you're gonna have trouble finding where to plug all of your devices. And this makes it easy because this is gonna give you that additional outlet space that you need. So thank you, Comfycheer, for my amazing cruise ship essentials kit, and I will be showing you more once I set sail.